Evening all, welcome to another Play Chess Banter Blitz. It's 7 PM. It is actually a really hot day here in the UK, but I'll try my best. I've got my water supplies with me. Let's go on for a minute and kick off with C4. Hope audio and visual is okay. If you want to let me know. Okay, I've been a bit boring recently with the English only. I just like to have a reasonable start position. Actually, I don't even know what Rookie 1's about. What is Rookie 1 about? Didn't need Rookie 1, did I? I'm vaguely trying to justify it now. Trying to put pressure on E5. Don't think I've got anything here yet. Nothing to speak of. Nothing whatsoever. Opposite colour bishops. Okay, maybe I'll have some fun with this C5 now. Is my king size under attack? I think it might be. F4. I've got to be careful. F4. Can I get this queen out there? He's let me install protected past pawn. But what about queen G4? Do I have this? F4, bishop H3, FG, FG, queen F3. Might be worth it. Might be worth it. Play bishop H3. If I can defend. Right, so can I get the queens off? Queen D3 might be a pain. Let's check in. Actually, my D3 is dropping off. Well, what about Rook B7? And if we go for Rook F2, I've still got Rook B7 on the cards. I'm trying to play with my one trump card. Yes. This C pawn is my one trump card in the position. Oh, that's nice. Well, I can let him take another pawn here. Let's just do that. Stop H3 just in case. That wasn't me whistling. I can't whistle like that. That wasn't me whistling. Trying to whistle that. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Someone told me the codes, the sound codes. I don't know. I hope you've all been enjoying my Leela chess games recently. Any questions on Leela chess while waiting? Very exciting, I think. The new IDs, I'm thinking they should be that much stronger because of the graph, but I don't think Leela's evolution maybe is as strong as maybe it seems on the graph. So there's a test server waiting to sort of replace the main Leela network. I don't know if anyone's into neural networks on the chat. Anyone into neural networks on the chat following the Leela chess? I've enjoyed the discipline of trying to cover at least 3 interesting games in the morning. It's quite a good discipline, I think, for analysis, chess analysis. Okay, I think we've got this one. Alright, let's go on to another game. I'll try and play Sicilian defense. Well, as best as I can. This system might be prone to d5. That's the problem. The bishop might be blunted. That's a problem. There might be another problem or two. What are the downsides? Try and tap into. F6, maybe. Yeah. I'll be taking away from e6 if I did bishop a6. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Maybe here is tactical, more tactical then. Try and win the exchange. But knight g5. So I've still got bishop a6 on the cards. Okay, I'll try and do that. No, I can't do that. That's too complicated a whistle, I think. Okay, that's not. Right, okay. I don't know. Actually, you know what? Knight b4 might be something. Knight b4, just hit this bishop. This might be something. Okay, let's take her. Alright, what about d3 and, you know, d3? What's wrong with d3? So, can I play d3? This bishop looks okay. Any slight concerns here? Should I have any slight concerns about this position? Can't see it at the moment. You know what? I don't know. Maybe knight d5. Just hold b6, free the rook. I think this bishop can go on this diagonal. Actually, there's knight f4 now, isn't there? There's knight f4 potentially. All right, let's just connect the rooks for a moment there. Okay. Can I do some damage? Can I do some damage here or not? I'm going to take on c3. You know what? Yeah, I just want this battery. Unfortunately, there's bishop f3. I could be getting in big trouble. Okay. Yeah, I'm messing this up now. Hang on. No panic yet. Bishop takes. Rook takes. I don't need to lose e6 just yet. Okay, this is tougher than I imagined. Oh, there's pawn. There's queen e7. Hold on. Queen e7. Can I not do anything here? Oh, let's get the queens off. Hold on a sec. Queen d8. Undermine this guy. Got to unblockade the d pawn. How would I do that? How would I unblock? Ah, it becomes unblocked. E3 next. I'm not going into a perpetual check, am I? Oh, there's no rook f1. Oh, this is a lot of work now. This game, isn't it? Oh. I'll take that. Okay, let's have another game then on the 3-minute time control. Can you tell me why the time control in these games is always so fast? I find them more entertaining. The longer time limits you give to engines, the more boring the games can become. So like the World Championship games actually were really dull. I didn't cover any of them. It's because they gave them, well, as well as mega hardware, a lot of time. It's just boring. I like games with some blunders, even if it's engines. So the 140 is a lot of fun, I think. I found the most entertaining games at the 140 time control. 1 minute per 40 moves. You say why classic time control? It's because it's boring. I've seen it. Just check the World Championship games, yeah. It's like, can you imagine? I mean, you know from the you know from the over the board World Championship, some of the games are so dull. So I like games of entertainment value. So what's happening here then? Have we got this H file? Can I do anything with the H file? Let me rook H6. I'm going to double the rooks. Knight G3 and double the rooks. I'm making some sort of inroads here, aren't I? Rook H3, plan, Rook H2, Rook H3. So if they Rook H3 next, how is defending? F4, okay, F4, try and break this down, or not. Well, that was an interesting decision though. Check. Hang on, I've just blundered a rook, haven't I? He didn't take it. Oh, crikey. My rook is just hanging. Hold on a sec. I forgot. It was unpinned. It was unpinned a while back. So don't tell me E6 is now a problem. I thought this was going to be easy. No, it's not. Can I play for Rook G6 if he took? Oh, crikey. How do I crack this? Oh, this is going to be fun. B5 might be important, just to suppress the pawn for a moment. Right, there's always B4, we're trying to get pawns over there. But just in case, Rook A8 as well. Ah, hang on. Hang on. That's a liability, that pawn, surely. I have to play King G6 for that. Oh, then he doubles. Oh, this is not going to be easy, is it? What about King D6 and then Rook A7? Oh, this is going to be a grind. How much fun is this? Nope. Okay. Let's give me a pawn there. B4 for C3 for B2 for rook A1. That would be good, potentially. How dangerous is that pawn? Oh crikey. It's going in for a mating thing. I've got to get behind over here, otherwise I'm going to get mated. Am I already in trouble? Oh, I've got to get my king some breathing space. Otherwise this could be pretty terminal.
Yes.
That was too close for comfort. That game was too close for comfort. Too close. I find, because there's all sorts of spices can be added. You can have fun start positions. You can have a faster time limit. I think there's a fundamental priority difference between looking at latest Grandmaster games from over the board and being able to create your own most entertainment from just create your own games with neural networks, bashing brute force chess engines. Just experiment with time limit, start positions. You can create a lot of fun and exploration of different pawn structures. I think, yeah, I think I just had a new lease of life of interest for chess games generally, starting to look at the Leela games because they're pretty exciting, I find. So that's a new lease of life, I think, for my interest at the moment. And it's interesting, like different approaches, different strategic ideas. Yeah. So, yep. I don't know if this G file looks tempting. Actually, even if I don't play E5, I can just use the G file here. So let's try and use the G file. Treble. Actually, I can't treble with Rook G2. What I needed to do was something else. Nevertheless, hang on. This is looking very good, pointing at the king anyway. I kind of like the look of this position aesthetically. No, this looks like a crushing position with knight d5 and rook g7. Surely I can crush from this position. No? Rook g7, king h8. Looks crushing. Visually crushing. Might need to calculate something. Knight takes. That's just losing on the spot there, isn't it? So there's rook g7 here. That doesn't help, does it? I can take the queen, or I can go for a checkmate, can't I? If I go check and then queen g2. Let's not be materialistic. Checkmate ends the game. Okay. Oh, I enjoyed that one a bit. Okay. Right, so another 3-minute time control. Okay, let's play e4. And Scotch game. Now bishop e3 flattens, knight takes c6. Because I'm on that bishop. Right, that's annoying. So I'm deprived of that lovely c3 square. However, there's other stuff. Maybe. You know, maybe f4, knight g4. So what of h3 then? Hang on. Am I going to get hacked to death for my king safety gains pot? Let's just not do h3 for a moment. So I want to make sure that g4 square is out of my opponent's reach. And try and imitate Magnus Carlsen. He played knight a3 recently. Knight a3, swing the knight in for a3. Okay, here, b3 then knight a3. Maybe a4 here, and then knight a3, and then maybe bishop e3, queen d2. Oh, okay, d6 is vulnerable. Vulnerable d6. Okay, I'm going to take on d6 maybe. Recharge on the water, I think. C4 seems okay. Get this drunken knight into the centre. Hit c5 with tempo. Hit d7 with tempo. Now what? Maybe try and provoke a weakness like f6 for whatever good that does. Don't know. Oh, knight d6 might be useful. Yeah. Yeah. And is there any plan? Have we got any plan? C4. I think C4. I'll try and play someone else. I think I played him before, this guy. Alright, he's a bit slow. Let's try and play someone else on the 3 minute. Okay. It's a pretty sensible play so far from my opponent. sensible looking play. Although it's a little bit provocative. Is it a bit too stereotypical my opponent's play? Not sure. It's Queen D1. Alright, let's just do this for a moment then. Try and play knight D4 with tempo. And then what naughty business is there? Bishop H3. I'll take that. Okay. Alright, another one. Let's play a different, hopefully, opponent. No, I never played Fine Gold. Nope. Unless I did on the ICC, I didn't know. Maybe I did on the ICC at some point. Okay, what's going on here? Can't get a game now. What chess openings do you want me to try and get for Leela chess games? Let me know. Any? Whoa! Whoa! What's this? I get massacred, aren't I? I only get massacred. A 2638. 2638. Oh, this is going to be fun for you guys, not for me. But let's give it a go. Oh no, so far. Not that quick, is he? From his rating. So I don't seem to be smashed just yet. Still on the board. Still on the board. For the moment. This could change at any moment. Go into the light squares, can't he? Can I play G5 and knight F4? This for a moment. I'm losing an exchange. I'm losing an exchange. That's unfortunate. What's the best way to lose the exchange here, I wonder? Just don't know if I should have done that now. Is it sort of underminable? D3 takes E2. No, he's got rook E2. Doesn't work. Muppets. Oh, committed hero carry. Oh, what a muppet. Ah. No! Another piece! I've just dropped another piece. Oh! Did I just... Oh! Oh, why? If only I wasn't dropping pieces like flies, that would have been a good game. If only I wasn't dropping pieces like flies. Just rook G6 is mating now, isn't it? Rook H7, I can't stop the mate. That's a shame. That's a shame. I can't stop the checkmate. That's it. That's it. Bother shouting. Unfortunately, I can't stop the checkmate. Oh well. Okay. I'll give it a pull. Anyway, it was a thrill. It was a thrill to play that one. Place one nearer my rating. I got him down on the clock, though. If I hadn't started losing my pieces like flies, you never know. Like, okay, like flies being swatted. Okay, so Queen D7. What's that thing over there? Can I stop that? I've noticed animated pixels. I can't do something about that. Don't think I can do anything about that. Oh well. Maybe H5 for H4. Right, so I'm looking forward to H4. There's no knight A4, I just take. Looks pleasant enough at the moment. wonder. Is okay, can I take that or I'm in trouble? What about knight takes e4 instead? I don't want to encourage queen takes. It's on b7 there. Right, I need defense here. Queen a7 for knight c5. Okay. Okay, b6, is that out of the question? Oh, this looks like a vicious attack. Can my king escape this? Lose my queen. I'll start running, I think. There's knight f6 winning the queen. Oh, there's knight f6 winning the queen. Oh, I just lost the knight as well. Lost the knight as well. Muppets! Oh, I lost the rook. Oh, I'm getting massacred. Oh, oh, gone pear shape. Total pear shape. I should have been. Oh, maybe I should have been able to defend the attack. Maybe on a better day. On a better day. 10 seconds. Do I test this 10 seconds? There's no point, is there? There's no point. The applauds. Yeah. Okay. I'm luck again. That looked like a very strong attack, actually. I don't think... Maybe I couldn't defend it. I'll make this the last game, I think. This wanted a 40-ish minute session, so... Last game here. Try and do my best. F4 comes to mind. G4. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I think there might be trouble here for him if I can treble on the G file. Queen G1. Treble. Oh, hang on. Maybe E5 for bishop E4. No, that doesn't help. Okay, FG then. EF is check. F takes G6 check. I'll do something with this F4 possession. F4. Ooh. Ooh. This looks promising at the moment. Rook E6 threatens, yes. D6 though. d6 any good? Or there's king g7 there, rook e7. It's not in time to do any real damage. So I think I need to somehow do better than d6. Keep that in mind. Bring my king somewhere. Actually, can I fix these pawns? If I fix these pawns, that might help the situation in some subtle way. d6 here, though, is tempting. Just wondering about rook d7 check and rook takes b7. Would that do anything? King e6 is about to happen, so... maybe I should take what I can. Try use the 2-to-1 for a moment. Control the c file maybe as well. Oh no, hang on. Rook b6. Rook b6, hang on. a5, rook c6, rook a6. He's got advanced pawns. He's got... yeah... I don't know. I'm on the defensive with d3 here. I think I could... this could be losing for me. The defensive... win d3. Hang on. I'll go with this one first. That gives me f4 for the king. If he wins d3, I've got f4 for the king. Oh, crikey. I'm not going to get f4 for the king the way he's playing it. Where am I? Alright, this is... okay, maybe... ooh. No. I'm getting a really bad deal here in this ending. Ah. No, I think I'm losing. Can I bail out with this? Try and draw it. Can I? Yeah, rook h. Okay, swindle. Yeah, a tough session today. Until next week, let me know what openings you like for Leela chess. Maybe I can get them. Until next week, thanks so much.